Day 15 and we are back on the big build. 13.5 by 6 metre log cabin build in Market Raisin in Lincoln. Today, it's got to be the final day, Judgment Day. Fingers crossed, no bumps and humps in the road. We get through it, we get it done, we put this project to bed. Connor's got the forklift out, ready. He's got a fire on. I think he just loves fire, like a firebug. The kettle's on, the tea is being made. As soon as we've had that tea, steel sheets are up there ready. Carry on with that steel sheet roof, get that finished. Go time. One side nearly done. All we got to do is run a grinder down that side and take off the 20-30 millimeters that is sailing over the roof. What a pain. We thought it'd fit perfect, but obviously it doesn't. Now, we've just realised that all of these steel sheets on the forklift are the wrong way around for this side. So Connor's jumped down, span them round with the forklift. He's going to get them back up to us and we can make a start on the next side. We're making some good progress. Seeing as the roofing screws have decided to prematurely exit the roof, we've had to come down and go and get them. And while we're down here, we decided we probably deserve a cup of tea. So we've had a cup of tea. We've got 3 sheets left to do. 3 left, and then we've got to do our verge caps and our ridge tiles. So that will mean the roof is complete. Jumping onto that, and then gable boards. Gable boards. That's the roof sheets done, which means it's now time for the ridge tiles. I'm going to get a string line set up. I think I might just do it with a tape measure. I'm not sure yet, but get that set up, get them unwrapped, and then fly right down the ridge with them. And then we can put the gable boards on, and then we can do the metal 90-degree trims that go along each gable. So yeah, on with that. Here's a 25mm jig I made for the ends of the sheets so that I could mark them easily, and we've got a nice consistent 25mm off all the way down. That's all she wrote for day 15 on this large log cabin that we're building. Nearly built, actually. Nearly built. We're closer to that than we are building. I know that much. We've got the gable boards on. We went to put the verge trims on and I didn't like the way they looked. So there's a chance, I'm going to sleep on it because I'm a person that always takes my work home with me anyway. I'll sleep on it and by the morning it just always just magically is solved in my mind. So I'm going to sleep on it, see how I feel. I'll know the way by tomorrow. I'll know the way. We are going to embark into part 16. Part 16 is coming. You're going to get it. We've been asked if we can lay the laminate flooring in that big room. So if we get the go ahead and the all clear to do that, that's going to be part of tomorrow. We've also got 2 smaller buildings, different mill, that he's asked us if we will build. And that is happening regardless of whether it happens the day after tomorrow or whether it happens in a week's time. We're going to be back here. It should be kitted out by then too, because I know he's got a load of stuff coming. Carpets are coming tomorrow. Laminate should be down tomorrow. He's got a kitchen that it should be fitted by the time we come back, if we come back in a week's time. I'm not sure how the schedule is going to work yet, but we'll see. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like the video if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more log cabin content, every aspect of it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications on, set your preferences to all. As always, I'll see you guys in part 16.